Alright, it's officially Christmas season, and we're pulling out all the stops in the kitchen. Today, we're making something extra special: chocolate Dubai pistachio cream. It's not just a treat, it's a fight. Trust me, once you share this, you'll instantly become the favorite at every holiday gathering. Now, first thing first, let's talk chocolate. We're melting it down smooth as a snowy sleigh ride. Ever notice how melted chocolate just smells like cozy evenings by the fireplace? Or is that just me being extra festive? While this chills in the freezer in the cutest Christmas molds, of course, let's chat holiday plans. So, what's your go-to Christmas traditions? For me, it's all about making something memorable. And this dessert is the memory. Why? It's all about the vibe, the buttery crunch of Kunafa, creamy pistachio spread, and a hint of tahini. Take your taste buds straight on a magic carpet ride. Voila! There you have it, folks. Chocolate Dubai pistachio cream. Festive, fancy, and oh so easy to make. Whether you're gifting this, sharing them with family, or munching alone, no shame. You're spreading sweet, chocolatey cheer. So what are you waiting for? Try this recipe and make some sweet memories with your family and loved ones. Wishing you all the holiday cheer and see you next time. Bye!